Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn and Talk English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're here to guide you step by step to help you improve your English in a way that feels practical, fun, and easy to follow.
Today's topic is one that so many learners are interested in: how to learn English fluently.
Fluency, it's like the holy grail of language learning, isn't it? Everybody wants it, but it often feels mysterious.
Yes, some learners spend years studying grammar and memorizing vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
That's why in today's episode, we're going to unpack fluency, what it really means, what stops learners from reaching it, and how you can practice effectively every single day.
And the best part is, this episode won't just be theory. We'll include activities where you can repeat after us, practice shadowing, and even role play.
So don't just listen, join us, speak with us, and practice as if you're in a real conversation.
Section 1. What is fluency?
Let's start with the big question. What does fluency really mean? Emma, what do you think?
For me, fluency means being able to speak naturally, smoothly, and without too much stopping. It doesn't mean speaking perfectly.
Yes, exactly. Many people think fluency means speaking like a native speaker, but that's not true. Fluency means you can communicate comfortably.
Let's compare two learners. Learner A speaks with perfect grammar, but pauses for 20 seconds before each sentence. Learner B makes some grammar mistakes, but speaks smoothly and gets the message across. Who is more fluent?
Definitely learn a B, because fluency is about communication and flow, not perfection.
Exactly. And I want our listeners to remember this. Fluency is about flow.
Let's practice saying that together. Listeners, repeat after us. Fluency is about flow.
Once more, fluency is about flow.
Think about your own English journey. Do you sometimes pause too much? Or do you try to be perfect before you speak? If yes, that might be slowing your fluency.
Don't worry, we'll share strategies today to help you move past that. Section 2. Why fluency is difficult.
Now, why is fluency so hard to achieve? There are a few common reasons.
Yes. Number 1. Fear of mistakes. Learners are afraid people will laugh at them or not understand them.
Number two, not enough speaking practice. Many learners spend years studying grammar and vocabulary, but very little time speaking out loud.
And number 3. Focusing too much on rules and not enough on communication.
Let me share my own experience. When I was learning Spanish, I studied for 2 years in a classroom. I knew many words and grammar rules, but the first time I met a native speaker, I completely froze. I couldn't say a single sentence.
That happened to me too when I was learning French. I could write essays for my teacher, but in real conversation I panicked.
So, listeners, if you feel nervous when speaking English, you're not alone. Even teachers have been through it.
And the good news is, it's not permanent. With practice, anyone can overcome these challenges. Section 3. Practical tips to improve fluency. Big tip 1. Think in English. Our first big tip: think in English. Yes, many learners translate everything in their heads. They think in their language first, then try to switch it into English. That creates a big delay. For example, imagine you want to say, I'm hungry. If you think in your language first, then translate, you pause. But if you think directly in English, it comes out quickly.
Let's practice. Look around you right now. What do you see? Try to name it in English. I'll give some examples. I see a chair. I see a window. I see my phone.
Listeners, repeat after me. I see a chair. I see a window. I see my phone.
Great. You can do this anytime. Walking to school? Think. I'm walking. I'm crossing the street. I'm buying coffee.
Your daily life can become a free English lesson. Bing tip sai. Shadowing.
Our second tip, the shadowing technique.
This is one of my favorites. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately, almost like an echo.
Let's try it now. I'll say a sentence and you repeat right away. Ready? I'm going to the store.
Can I have a cup of tea, please?
English is easier when I practice every day.
Excellent. If you practice shadowing even 5 minutes daily, your mouth and brain get used to the rhythm of English. Bing tip pal. Small conversation. Next tip. Practice small conversations daily.
Don't wait for a perfect opportunity. Just use English wherever you can. Say hello, ask a simple question, or talk to yourself.
You can even record yourself speaking, then listen later to check. Bing tip 4. Use English media.
Another tip, surround yourself with English media, movies, podcasts, songs, books.
And don't just watch or listen. Pause, repeat, copy. Try to use the phrases you hear in your own speaking. Bing tip pal. Set realistic goals.
And finally, set realistic goals. Don't say, I'll be fluent in 3 months. Instead, say, this week I'll learn 10 new useful phrases.
Section 4. Practice activity extended role play. Time to practice. Jack, let's do a role play. I'll be a waiter in a cafe, and you'll be the customer.
Great. Listeners, first just listen.
Role play 1. Café.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Do you want sugar with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay, that will be $3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon. Now, listeners, it's your turn. We'll repeat the role play, but leave space for you to answer as the customer.
Excellent. You can pause this podcast and practice again, switching roles each time.
And don't stop with cafes. Imagine situations at the supermarket, train station, or school. Create short dialogues in your head and practice out loud. Section 5. Motivation and mindset.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about motivation. Fluency doesn't happen overnight.
Yes, sometimes learners feel discouraged. They say, I'll never be fluent.
But remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Every small step counts.
Did you say one new sentence today? That's progress. Did you understand one new phrase? That's progress too.
Celebrate small wins. Ordered food in English? Great. Introduce yourself in English? Amazing.
Fluency comes from consistency, not from 1 month of hard study. So today we learned that fluency is about flow, not perfection.
We explored tips like thinking in English, shadowing, daily conversations, using media, and setting realistic goals.
And we practiced a real cafe conversation together.
Remember to listen to this episode again, practice along with us, and keep using English every single day.
Thanks for joining us on Learn and Talk English.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep talking.
See you next time on the Learn and Talk English podcast. Bye bye.